This is going to be a short tutorial for how to use the Interactive Writer's Notebook that we're all going to be using for the rest of the year. I'm going to share a template with everyone that's going to have some basic pieces in place already, and then I'm going to show you how to go about adding to those pieces. So the first one is the table of contents. This first page is the table of contents. You see this box. That is going to change every time we add pages. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. On the left side, you see a running list of pieces that will be in our notebook. Notice how these correspond to the table of contents. As pages are added, I'm going to be identifying how we're supposed to be labeling those pages so that we'll always know how to find them. This is nice because it's a quick way to jump from page to page. So you can see the value as we add more pages to what this side is going to be. You can see here I already have some pieces in here. Our topics list, free write, writing resources, video tutorials, and mentor texts. Now, let's say we want to look at the mentor texts. We could quickly click the button on the left and we scroll down to the page that says mentor texts. You see right now there are two of them on there. Touching Spiritbear by Ben Michelson and All Summer in a Day by Ray Bradbury. No, we haven't read that yet, but it's one that we're going to use as a mentor text. Looking at the resources, notice how again the two videos that have been created so far are on this page. You'll be able to access these whenever you want. Hopefully, as we create more, we'll add them to this page so that we always have them in one spot. We don't have to worry about looking on Google Classroom or anywhere else for where to find them. Now, let's go over how to add a page. Right now, we're going to go to the bottom page, which is mentor text. I'm going to go below the last line. From here, you go to Insert, Break, Page Break. Notice how I'm on a new page now. You can see page 5 right here. I am now on a new page. In order to get this added to the table of contents, I now need to add a heading. To do that, I'm going to click the drop down in Styles. I'm going to click Heading 3, and I'm going to write my new page. Right now, I'm going to title it Sample Page for Tutorial. Now, watch what happens once I click Enter. You see on the left side that has shown up. If I go back up to the top, to the table of contents, you see that it's not here. So what happened? What we need to do, click on the table of contents, right-click, scroll down to where it says Update Table of Contents, and there it is. Sample page for tutorial, page 6. So you can see there are a couple steps that we're going to have to take each time we add a new page. But as we do them, after we've done 2 or 3 of them, it's going to be pretty automatic. It's going to be a pretty simple process for us to do. Now the last thing I want to show you on this, let's say you want to turn in one of the pieces of writing as an assignment. Rather than turning in this entire document, what you can do is click on Table of Contents, click on 10-minute free write, and you see how a hyperlink opens up. I would bring my cursor over, copy link. Now you see down below it says link copied to clipboard. If you were submitting an assignment on Google Classroom, all you would do is add that link. And then when I opened it, it would take me right to this page, 10-minute free write. So it's kind of nice because by the end of this, we're going to have many pages in here, and we'll be able to find the exact one we want by creating and utilizing the links. So this has just been a basic piece. As we add more, we'll walk through the step-by-steps. But right now I want to go over how to add pages and how to update the table of contents.